Ready to inject your Phantom wallet with crypto power from external exchanges. First, choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Gemini. Do your research and pick one known for security and user-friendliness. For this example, we'll use Coinbase, but the steps are similar across platforms. Next, buy the cryptocurrency you desire, navigate to the trade section, select the crypto you want, and enter the amount for purchase. Now for the crucial transfer, go to your exchange wallet and find the withdraw option for the crypto you just purchased. You'll need to enter your Phantom wallet address here. Open your Phantom wallet, click on the receive button for the chosen cryptocurrency, and carefully copy your unique wallet address. Double check every character. Back on the exchange, paste the Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal form. Confirm you've entered the correct address and amount, and then initiate the withdrawal. Wait patiently, as the transfer can take a few minutes depending on the network congestion. Refresh your Phantom wallet to see your newly acquired crypto arrive. Finally, verify the transaction in your Phantom wallet by confirming that the deposited funds matches the amount you transferred. Now you're set to explore the Solana blockchain with your new assets.